It's time to get started today. That's right, fam. It's time to pursue your destiny. It's time to make that investment. It's time to start that business. It's time to make a play for you and for your family. Oh, yes, it is. That time is now. You got this. Trust, believe, and serve the Most High. And you got this. Oh, yes, you do. All you got to do is get started. Scared money don't make money. Oh, you know that's facts. In the word of Yah. Yah is the name of the Most High in Hebrew. There was a widow who had 2 sons. Her husband passed away. She went to the prophet Elisha. She was in desperate need. She was in a tough situation. She went to the prophet Elisha and said that her husband passed away. The creditor is coming after them. And if she did not pay the creditor, they will take her sons into slavery. She was going through tough times. Oh, I know we got some witnesses. We know about some tough times. The prophet Elisha asked the widow, "What do you have? What do you have in your house?" She said she got a little bit of oil. Through the Most High, Elisha, the prophet, told her the plan. What was the plan? To go out and borrow many jars. In the word, it says not just a few. It says something like that. She had to go out, borrow many jars, bring it back to the house, shut the door behind them, and fill them up with that bit of oil that she had in the house. What did she do? She executed the plan. I can imagine. She went out, knocking door to door, being told, no, 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 get off my property. Hell nah, no, no. That did not stop her. Hearing no did not stop her from executing the plan. She went out, borrowed as many jars as she can, knocking door to door, brought it back to the house, shut the door behind them, and filled up the oil. And when she went to the prophet and told him that the jars are filled, the prophet said, "Go and pay the debt, and you and your sons live off the rest." All glory to our great King. She trusted in the Most High. She executed the plan that Yah gave her through the prophet Elisha. That message is for you. It's time to execute the plan. The plan that will save you and your family. It's time to get started. In today's world, especially in today's time, we have so many tools, resources, supplies. We have so much to work with. You have everything you need in your house right now to get started. Oh, yes, you do. Work with what you got. Look around your house. Analyze the gifts that the Most High has blessed you with. What skills do you have? What resources do you have that will bless others? Our Creator has blessed you with talent, charisma, skill, intelligence. The Most High has given you abundance. The widow did not make any excuses. She worked with the little oil that she had. And through the Most High, she made miracles with the little oil that she had. It's time for you to make miracles with the little bit that you have. It may seem like a little bit, but you have abundance. Oh, yes, you do. It's time to make a play. It's time to invest. It's time to take some of your money, invest some of your money, and bring back more money. It's time for your money to bring back friends. Oh, yes, it is. It's time for your money to bring back friends. Let's trust in the Most High. Let's keep our faith in the Most High. And let's move in the Most High. We don't pray and sit around. We pray and we move. It's time to make a play for you and your family. Repeat after me. I will make a play. I will serve Yah. I will save my family. All glory, all praises, all honor to our great King. After this video ends, get started. Begin. Start. Make a play. You got this, fam. Yes, you do. It's time to make a play. All glory to our great King.